This faceless YouTube automation channel was created just 11 months ago today. It has 2.6 million views and makes well over $12,000 a month just from ad revenue. And the crazy thing is, their videos can be created with AI in literally no more than 15 minutes. And it's just some simple AI-generated image with a voice over sounds easy to replicate, right? It is, but only if you use the right AI tools and actually know what you're doing. Otherwise, it's going to end up looking not good. All the other channels out there will tell you to create a script with ChatGPT and generate some random image overlays, which just doesn't work at all. You'll end up getting 0 views and just wasting your time. Like 99% of everyone that tries YouTube automation, watch this video till the end, and I'll reveal all the secrets that other channels won't tell you about. You'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own YouTube automation business. No gatekeeping, but it's super important. You follow all the steps I'm about to share with you. Otherwise, it won't work. If you already know how to create a YouTube channel, skip to the next part. Now that you have your channel set up, let's get into creating our video. We already know our niche, but we still need a video topic. That's interesting. The topic of a video is the difference between 1 million views, regardless of your script writing, voice over, and editing. Here's a method I like using. If you remember, we used TubeMagic for the channel tags. We've already started the trial, so we might as well use more of their features, since they're actually pretty helpful. So to find good topics, go back to the website and press the video research tool over here. You already know the best keywords from creating the channel. Just take one of those. For example, Zen Motivational and Mind Flow. Enter it in the search bar and press search. What TubeMagic will then do is that it will recommend you the videos in the niche that are performing the absolute best. This info is super useful, since you can just filter the videos after ones that have been uploaded recently, and you can see the list of topics that are relevant right now. Now, the first step to making the actual video is writing the script. Don't overlook this as well. Many channels create some random script with ChatGPT and expect their video to go viral, which is just not how it works. Aside from topic, your script is what'll make or break your video. You can have the greatest editing in the world, but it doesn't matter if you have a shitty script. Most YouTube automation channels that are similar to mine tell you to use ChatGPT. Trust me, I've tried it. You'll end up getting no views. Some also tell you to hire a scriptwriter on Fiverr, but they'll most likely be using ChatGPT too. So what's left? See, there's actually this one, AI software I found a couple of weeks ago compared to other AI softwares that'll give you some robotic-ass sounding script like it was created by the Terminator. This one has been trained to write engaging long-form scripts that sound like they're actually written by a human. You want to head over to this website called Dubdub, click on AI Voiceover, and then ask AI to write here. You want to enter the topic of your video, type of language, and how long you want it to be. The topic of our reference, video, is how you can achieve anything, and it's only around 3 minutes long. So I'll enter a prompt that looks something like this and press generate. Wait a couple of seconds and it'll write the entire script for you. Now read it through a couple of times so that everything looks good and doesn't sound so AI generated. If you want to change anything, which I highly recommend, you do click on this plus button and you'll be able to rewrite it. You can make it longer, shorter, or even translate it to another language. If that's what you want to do, there is, however, another way you can create your script with Dubdub that is based on an already viral video, increasing your chances of going viral yourself. So find a channel in your niche that has a viral video copy, the link, and head back over to Dubdub. Then click on AI transcription and paste the link. The AI will then transcribe the entire video, meaning it writes out the entire script, but you just can't steal somebody else's script, so we need to rewrite it. Of course, the whole point of this method is to take inspiration from concepts that have performed well. I don't want any of you to just go and straight up copy someone else's scripts, so head over to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the script while keeping the message the exact same. You'll then have a unique script that has been proven to work the next step in creating a video. That actually performs is getting a voice that reads out your script. Before AI was a thing, you had to manually go and search for a voiceover, artist hire one for an expensive price, all that annoying stuff. Now, however, you can just use a single AI website to get it done for a fraction of the price. So, yeah, now that you have your script ready, it's time to create a voice. Over there are hundreds of text-to-speech softwares out there, but I like to use 11 Labs since they have the best voices, and it's mostly free. So once on the platform that looks like this, click on Voice Library and pick a good voice. You want to find a unique voice people have never heard before. I even like to create my own voices using 11 Labs, which is a new feature this way. You'll use a really unique voice that hasn't been used a lot before. It'll sound a little bit robotic, but you can add it to different software and convert it into a human voice. It'll make the voices from 11 Labs sound as real as a human, but first we need to create some visuals for the video. We're going to rewind a bit to using image generators. Again, I'll use Leonardo, but this time because it has this crazy feature I told you about in the beginning of this video, take a look at our reference channel and you'll see. They have motion images of philosophical and wise-looking people. The images aren't just still and boring. So go over to ChatGPT and enter this exact prompt. Basically, we tell ChatGPT to create 15 text prompts based on the script that we can later use in Leonardo AI. So enter this prompt and paste in your script. After it, press the Generate button, and it'll give you 15 different image prompts we can use to create our visuals. So click on Image Generator and set the size to 169. Then you want to copy and paste each prompt from ChatGPT. A bonus tip is to add ultra realistic at the end of each prompt, and you'll get images that look better than usual. Then you just want to continue this process. Copy from ChatGPT and paste into Canva. Repeat this process till you've generated all prompts and have enough visuals to cover the entire script. Now it's time for the crazy feature I mentioned earlier. Our reference channel adds these motions to the images so that it looks almost like a video. Leonardo actually has a similar feature you can use for free, which is really good. So hover over your image with your mouse and click Generate Motion Video and press Generate, then wait a couple of seconds and it'll add this crazy motion effect, making it much more engaging to look at. What you then want to do is add this motion effect on all the images, and then the visual assets for the video will be done now. Once we have the voice over all the images and a whole script, it's time to put it all together. I always do it in CapCut for videos like this since it's free, like all the other tools, and you don't really need any advanced features for this. Start off by creating a new project and import the visuals as well as the voice. Remember that I mentioned a trick to make the voiceover sound more human here. It is, after you've dragged the voice over to the timeline, use the razor tool and cut out all of the pauses. Like this, slightly overlap them a little, and you'll have created a J-cut. This will give your voice over a higher pace and make it sound more human. Without these long AI pauses that usually occur when using stuff like 11 Labs, repeat this process on the entire voiceover and make sure it sounds natural. This is literally one of the biggest virality hacks that'll absolutely blow up your attention compared to if you don't do it to make things easy. I like to highlight everything like this, right? Click it and then press Create Compound Clip. This will just compound your voice over to one single element so that it's easy to drag around and work with. Now add all the visuals to the timeline and make sure you set the size of the canvas to 16 by 9. To begin with, let's just add a simple transition between all of our images to make it look smoother. So click on Transitions and search for Mix, drag it between two clips, and hit Apply to All. On the right now, all the visual content of the video is done. But this is only the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole another spectrum we haven't even gotten into yet. Sound, there are mainly two types of sounds. The first one is sound effects. These can be used to highlight something important, or to just make the viewer hear what's happening on the screen. The other side of sound design is your choice of music or soundtrack, as some call it. This is really important to set a vibe to your video, to find good music. And soundtracks, simply use any copyright-free websites like Pixabay or Epidemic Sounds. Once you found a song on the platforms, just download it and upload it to CapCut as you've done with all your other assets, then add it to the timeline and drag down the volume. Now, there's only one thing left to do, which is add captions. Captions are the text that shows up often on the bottom half of the screen and just shows what's being said by the voiceover. So to add those automatically using CapCut, click on Captions and then Generate. They'll look kind of boring in the default style. So click on Templates and choose the one that you consider fits your type of content. That's literally all the editing you gotta do. And now you're ready to export the video, which means downloading it. Now all you gotta do is repeat this process every single week or day if you want to grow fast and stay consistent. This was our video for today. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the Digital Buddy channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks. See you soon in the next video.